Right, welcome back guys. We're here, it's time to get the suspension changed so we can get this car moving. So, same as last time, I'm going to try and get these on a tripod today so you can see what we're doing. Basically just taking off the steering arm from the knuckle there. Just going to drop the under tray. You need to take the other lower arm off, brakes off. You need the disc and caliper and stuff for that one. Much bigger brakes on this car. And then the strut out complete. So I'll try and get on a tripod. And you can see what I'm doing. Okay, that's all the parts off. As you see, we've got the steering arm off. Just took that off and thrown it. Anyway, that's off. It's over there, on the ramp floor. And I was wondering why we're not using the ramp, it's actually fitted yet. It'd be a lot easier obviously on the ramp to do all this, but it's probably a job for the next week or something. So, this is where we're at anyway. So, steering arm ready to screw straight in. Thought the anti-roll bar was bent, but it appears it's not bent. It's just marked, I think, where it's crashed. But if it's bent, we'll take the one off that one. We'll figure that once we get it aligned. So as you can see, there's no other damage. Legs perfect. Subframe's not even touched. Inner arch line is damaged, but we've got one of them off the E90. So we'll get that. I think I'll take that out in a second before we put the wheel on. Okay. I'm going to try and put you back on the tripod area, see if we can get all this put back together. Right, so guys, we're back. Turn the car around. I think it's got a broken spring on the back from what I can tell. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take off the whole front end, bumper, front panel. I'm going to finish removing the wing off this side. Get rid of that. We'll swap the front panel over for the E91. Maybe a few things we have to change over on the front panel. But once we've got that done, I think we can start sectioning the wing rail. So once we've got that sorted out, we want the new front panel in really. You know, that one's straight, that could be twisted. So I don't want to put the wing rail in and then it just doesn't line up. So it's probably the better way to do it, to change the whole front end and concentrate on the wind rail. So I'm going to set this on the tripod again and we'll see how we get on. Okay. So I'm just going to take this bumper off. Quite simple, there's a few 8 holes underneath. A few T30s around the top. That's it really, pretty simple to disassemble. This again is just not a difficult bumper to remove. Guys, we're back. It's got dark on us now. Front panel's out. No damage whatsoever behind there, which is great. Here's the front panel off it. So remember we're only swapping it with this bit of damage. And here's the other one. It looks exactly the same. I don't think I need to change anything, which is shocking and good at the same time. So it's going to save some time. So I'm just going to get that put on now and I'll come back once we've got that bolted up. Right, that's it. Front panel back on. Lined up perfect. And back on. Perfect. Bonnet cable left. And actually shocked me how much it's the same. So the side we just took the wing off finally. I've cut out this, which is one of these. So you can see that light's terrible. Just a riv nut. So we can place the other one. I'll show you exactly what it's for. So, what it's for. Obviously, here's the piece that we need. So if we line that up perfect, we can see exactly where we need to cut that. We'll line that up almost perfectly. If you look through the holes, the spot welds, in the exact same place. So we can cut down that way. That way we know it's going to line up perfectly. See the two holes, line up perfect. The top lines up perfect. Don't know how many times you can say perfect in one thing really, but perfect. So I'll get that cut now and draw out them spot welds. Just took the bonnet off because it's a bit more light. It needed to come off anyway. It's got a replacement. So set the tripod up so I can actually show you what I'm cutting. Hopefully you can see the plate. It's lined up perfect. We cut down this edge and then we draw the spot welds out. Use the other piece we've got, cut the next piece out. Couple more spot welds. And that's it. Corner off and we can line that one up. So I'm going to put you onto the tripod. piece to line up with. So what I need to find is where that went. That's where it went. Yeah, so we need to shape that one. Okay. Bit of a twist though. But just exposed, so we need to remove this one, and that one, one behind here. So we're going to take this panel off. Okay, so we'll put it back on the tripod. Now we need to put on that side. Again, just do one skin. And we can remove up there. So, that's what we're looking at. So, this is literally taken out to the seams, other than this one cut, which is nice. It's going to go back in on its original welds, there and there. That may be bent down a little bit, just there on the bottom edge. Maybe. We'll figure that out when we put the new panel in. But that's it. So, let's try the new piece. Right, so as you see, I haven't even switched the camera off. So, let's see how this fits. Just slide that in there. Should line up there. Should go into there. And pop that up. And that's good. And pretty close. So what I do is you can bolt that in. Pop that in, and I'll pull it all together. Figure out what we need to do. You can see how nice this fits. Obviously the tiniest little bit of manipulation when we fit it back, but we cut through it with one mil grinder discs. If you ask me, they're 1 mil holes. Perfect. So we just need to clamp and plug weld. Obviously that's going to be a tomorrow job now. Once that's done, we'll edge prime these. I think we'll take this back off, we'll paint it in a grey a bit to match it. Honestly, that's pretty much it. Like I said, there's a really straightforward repair. So, like I say, that needs seam welding. That needs plug welding, seam welding, grind down, paint, and we still kept all the factory crumple zones. So pretty much bend exactly the same as it should. Yeah, that's it.